The quality of your life is the quality of your communication. These words from Tony Robbins had a deep impact on me. Hi, my name is Gavin and I bring you simple videos on self-development. Today I'd like to speak with you about your communication. Do you think you are an effective communicator? What do you think are the important aspects to communicate effectively? Now I know there's a lot of emphasis that we place on our speaking skills and how well do we convey the message to others. I think an often neglected skill in communication is our listening skills. We often listen to reply rather than listen to understand. Now I'd be the first one to raise up my hand and say that there have been times where I have listened to reply rather than to understand. But in my experience, when I actually listened to understand others, I was able to form deeper connections and better relationships with people. Both in my personal as well as in my professional life, listening to understand has been very helpful to me. I think listening helps us to understand the other person, helps us to connect with them, learn from them, and empathize with them. Maybe you think you are a good listener, maybe you don't. I'd like to share with you 3 things that I believe are important to be an effective listener. The first thing is to cut out all distractions. Yes, that would mean to leave aside your beloved cell phone. You see, when we focus fully on the speaker and pay attention to their verbal as well as non-verbal communication, it helps us to understand the deeper meaning of what they are saying. The second thing I suggest that you do is to listen with an open mind. As I said before, at times we listen to reply rather than to understand. Listening with an open mind means listening without jumping to conclusions, without any judgment, without even offering any solutions. The third thing that I suggest that you do is understand the speaker's map of the world. Now, we all have our own map of the world or our own reality, so to say. And while we are listening, sometimes we are tempted to impose our reality on the person who's speaking. And I'd say, listen, understand and respect the speaker's map of the world or their reality, even if it is very different from your own. And so if you've listened well to this video and you've learned something, I would like you to apply what you've learned in your conversations over the next 1 week. And see what happens. See how well you are able to connect with those around you, both professionally as well as personally. Over the next few weeks, I will focus on other aspects of communication and how you can develop yourselves by becoming an effective communicator. Till then, happy listening.